welcome to Carol's Current Obsession. Today I have something really fun. This is a little set of dolls that I bought for my granddaughter in Australia. And I'm quite excited to show them to you. They are tiny. They are total about 5 inches, but really the doll is only like 3.5 or 9 centimeters. So they're just tiny, but they are as cute can be. Alright, I want to show you guys. There's a set of 6 that I bought, okay? They come in these little outfits, and every one of them has a little cute outfit that it's got made for it. And some of them are glued outfits and stuff like that, and they're not exactly, glued on with the best. But they are so cute, and I think for little kids, for playing with, they're just as cute as can be. Now, I want to show you, this one comes with this little headband, and she's got little cute piggy tails. Her hair is not, you can't undo this piggy tails and expect to have, any hair to work with. It's got to stay in its little pigtails. But look at this face. Isn't that so cute? I just think that is the cutest little thing. And then she has a little resin glued onto her dress. And on the doll, their little panties are kind of molded on. So they've got molded on panties. Can you see her little arms? They have a tiny joint in them, so they bend. I just think that is so cute. So very cute. Ugh, my camera is not wanting to work with me. There we go. Can you see that? This is the first little doll. And she comes with her little headband that fits over her piggy tails. And she's just as cute as can be. Okay, that's the first little doll. And she's a little sleep-eyed. You can see she's just as cute as can be. Okay, the next one, also sleep-eyed with her mouth open. And look at her little, adorable little costume. She's got a little bow and these ears. And again, her hair is in the piggies. And her hair is pink. Okay. And she has this little dress on. And yeah, the little bow is glued on and, that kind of thing. But who cares? It's so cute. Again, her little panties are molded on. And they can sit. And their little arms can bend. So they've got, that articulation at the elbow, which is quite cute. In such a teeny tiny doll. It's just so cute. Okay, so that is doll number 2. There's 2 sleep eyes with their mouth open. And then here's one. And she's got a little green outfit and a little resin strawberry and long hair. But again, that's pretty rare underneath. So this is where the hair is sewn on. There is none underneath those pigtails. But that's okay. Again, for a child's play, it's just fine. You can see they're pretty bald underneath. But, okay. And this was 6 of them for, I think, $14. So, if you buy them all together, then and I bought them on a sale. And if you buy them all together, a set of 6, then it's not too expensive per doll. But if you buy them separately, I think they run, I want to say they were like $3.50 or $4 each. Still not bad. And you get a whole little costume for them, which is so cute. Okay, here's the little one. She's winking. And she's got a little red nose and a red chin. which I think is as cute as can be. And her little hair, her piggies go all the way down. They're quite long. Okay, so that's pretty cute. And her outfit, like I said, it's nothing special. It's like just a piece of fuzzy that's been sewn in a giant shirt or shift, but it's okay because it's as cute as cute can be. Okay, and again, for little girls playing, this is so cute. Alright, now the next one is this little rabbit ears. It's so cute. Look at this. She's got these little rabbit ears and this cute little bow, which is adorable. And then hers is a little hat. You see, hers is a little hat. And she's got little teeny tiny piggies. Okay, so she has a little hat. And her piggies are covered up completely by the hat. And there's a little Velcro strip there that holds it on. Okay, and she again has the fuzzy shift. And this one, it's not a resin piece, it's a little fabric thing. But look at her little face. That's so cute, and those great big eyes. It's so adorable. And her hair is a little bit blondie pink too. And look at that. Look at the little red nose. That's so cute. Oh, so adorable. Okay. And that's doll number 4. And then here we have another winker. And she has a strawberry on her ear and one on her chest. And then this is a headband on her. And again, the rare hair, you know, in the back. But long, nice and long. Any little girl would have fun with this, and she's got the wink going on. So cute. Okay, and that is doll number 5. And then here's my favorite, doll number 6. And she comes, well, these two are kind of my favorites, but it doesn't matter, they're all cute. But this is a little angel doll, and she's got both eyes asleep and her mouth is closed. And she has a little headband and the hair, the piggies. And she comes with little angel wings. And her pretty little dress is so cute. Oh, you know, and this would not be hard. If you wanted to make little outfits for these dolls, you could, you know. Basically what they've done is take a little bit of edging material and gathered it. And that's all it is. Just some lace gathered and a piece of ribbon gathered, stuck together. That's it. So easy and so cute. And it's just like, you know, it's, I don't know if you can see. It doesn't have sleeves or anything. It's just basically stuck around their chest. So it's not hard. You know, if you wanted to make little outfits for these, you could do that too. Although I have not seen them for sale without clothing, so you would still, I mean, you'd have to buy them clothed and then make a different outfit. But again, not hard. And how cute is that? Oops. So precious, so precious. Oh, they're so cute. Anyway, and this came in a set of 6, like I said. And they're a little present for my granddaughter. And I thought, oh, you guys have got to see these adorable little dolls. Teeny tiny little precious pocket dolls. And, you know, she's 4 years old. And she loves pocket dolls. And, yeah, she's the one in Australia. And, you know, a cute little pocket doll, who can deny that, you know? And this is enough for her and a couple of friends to have a dolly, a little pocket dolly. So, that's my little review today. I We'll put the store that I bought them from down below. Okay, these came from, let's see, Songyi Childhood Toy Store. So Songyi is a great little spot to buy really good quality dolls from. I love them. They always get my orders right. And yeah, it's Aliexpress. And yeah, I caved. And they're just really fun and cute little dolls. Anyway, I thought you guys would have fun seeing these precious little dolls. And I know some of you really like the tiny dolls. So this would be a fun one to add to your collection. Thanks so much for stopping by. Take care, everyone. I hope you've had a beautiful day. Bye-bye.